Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about a couple things I got from Lisle and Pittsburgh. So let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, this is from Lisle. There's what it is. Of course, I'm going to open it up and show you. If I can do this with one hand, bear with me. I want to look and see something. Made in the USA and global components. Okay, whatever. Anyway, what you have is a couple. Okay, like I was saying, you have a couple pinch-off pliers. These are pretty cool. Got a large one and a small one. Sorry about that. Large one and a small one. And then you have an assortment of caps and plugs, you know, for different lines and whatnot you need to plug off. And then on this side you have these things. These are cool for blocking off brake lines, transmission lines, stuff like that. These are great. Like a lot of this stuff, the shop that I was working at had this stuff, so I never did buy it, but I got it now if I ever need it. That's awesome. And yeah, did I show you these? Wait a minute, yeah. For plugging off different size lines and whatever. Okay, let me close this up. Like I said, this is just going to be a little short video. Just a couple things I got. One thing from Lisle. And one thing from Pittsburgh. Now I'm going to try this. Everybody's been talking about them. I've never tried any Pittsburgh Ratchets. And I think I'm going to get a couple more and try them out, along with a couple Icon Ratchets, and try them out and compare them together, and then see how they compare to Snap-on and, you know, the big truck, the tool truck brands. Yeah, everybody's saying something about this being backwards, but I don't really care about that. That don't bother me. I don't know if it is or not. Yeah, I guess it is, but it don't really bother me. I don't really look at that. I just flip it in my hand anyway to tell which way it's going. And it's a flex head, but it's not a locking flex head. I don't know if they even make a locking flex head. I'm sure they do, knowing Harbor Freight. And check this out. Not necessarily the name. You already seen what the name was. Comfort Grip. My very first Comfort Grip. I'm going to try it out. I don't like them usually, but I'm going to try it out and see if I like it, or if I like the other one, the regular hard handle ones. You know, the metal. That's what I think I'm going to get, is one like this, but without the Comfort Grip. I'm sure they make that, I guess. But we'll see, and I'll use it a little bit, and then I'll make another video a little later, let you know what I think. So far, I mean, it seems to be all right. Everybody likes them, other than that being backwards. Everybody says they hold up pretty good, so we'll find out. But anyway, that's all I got for this video. Just a couple things. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one.